found the smartest strategy of doing outreach on LinkedIn because it allows you to convert just one lead, one person you reach out to, into an unlimited, infinite source of leads. It does not require you to be like salesy or needy in the DMs, like asking people to get on a call with you or any of that crap, because let's be honest, like that has not worked out really well for you, right? And you also don't have to like sit down and do manual messaging or wait for weeks for your stupid connection request to get accepted. Because I don't know about you, I don't just want to be sending like 800 connection requests a month and hoping like they actually like accept it and then I can message them. So the plan is exactly what I mentioned in the starting of the video, which is like just turn one lead into unlimited leads so that we can scale exponentially. Because if you want to make a lot of money, you have to scale exponentially, and the best way to scale exponentially is to put in inputs which lead to exponential outputs. So we reach out to one person and that gets converted into an unlimited source of leads, which is basically an exponential output. And if we have like linear inputs and exponential outputs, then we get to make a lot of freaking money. So before we actually go into the plan, like how exactly I'm like going to be implementing it, I'm going to be creating the campaign live in front of you guys, like literally giving the entire step-by-step playbook along with the exact messages which I'm going to be sending out. Like before we get into it, I'll give you like a quick story so that you actually understand why and how it works. Because like shiny object syndromes, it cannot actually like save you, because these messages, like this strategy, eventually it'll stop working. But if you understand like the core principles behind it, you will be able to like ensure you never ever face the problem of getting more leads via outreach again. So Alex Hormozi had a story. So he had a video. Alex Hormozi is a pretty popular business guru. You probably know him. So if you come here on his channel, like sales, he had like a 4-hour video on sales and everything. Yeah, I think this is the video. Yeah, maybe this or like sales 4-hour. He had this video over here, I think. Yeah, this was the one. Basically like a very massive guide on sales, how you can increase your conversion rates, everything. And he said like he just interviewed one of the top closers in his company. He asked the guy like, what were you doing to like sell so much better than all the other people? And that guy just simply said that whenever he closed a deal, he just asked the person who bought, like, do you know like 1 or maybe 3 people who might be interested in this? So let's say I think like I'm not sure, but I think he was selling like fitness, weight loss, transformation packages. And what he used to do is like after the person had bought like the fitness transformation package, he said like, do you know like 1 or 2 people, or do you have like 1 or 2 friends who you would like to invite to this journey so that both of you can lose the weight and you can keep each other accountable? And yeah, that's where I got the idea from, that he just converted like one lead into multiple leads, because now the person has referred these 3 different people over, and at the same time it does not sound very salesy to these people when you reach out to them, because this person has referred us over to them. We can say like, yo bro, like this guy John, he referred me over to you Jack, and yeah, he said like you might be interested in this. So yeah, it just sounds better and it leads to a lot more of revenue and money, as we could clearly see from this video, because that closer work well. And also there's like this Indian digital marketing agency who we used to like work with earlier, like they bought us office and everything. And like randomly he asked me like to fix a quick problem he had in his company in like his WhatsApp campaigns. And I saw like the campaigns he was running, they were like not directly like selling. He was not trying to use WhatsApp outreach to like sell to people. Like, by the way, like much better software for WhatsApp outreach I've created, whatreach.com. You can go there, like try it out absolutely free. Of course, you can see it's like $0 over here. Try it out for free for 14 days. If you like it, use it. And yeah, not trying to like sell you anything, just try it. And yeah, you can get like a lifetime deal as well. And also you can like white label it and sell it as your own platform. Dope. And yeah, you can also get like an affiliate deal, like 50% commissions for life. I don't want to sound like salesy or sleazy, but yeah, I just had to like promote it because I know it's like so freaking good. What Aditya used to do, like the founder of this company, like DigiScult, he basically used to like reach out to marketing agencies all across the world, like Malaysia, Singapore, Australia, everything. And he said like, let's form a partnership. All of the projects which you get for like $2,000, you can outsource it to us for like $500, which is kind of like a lot of money in India. And yeah, he was basically happy to do that. And I saw like he was forming these alliances. Now he reached out to one person, that person gets like 100 projects, let's say, and now he just like got a exponential return on a linear input. So he put in like a linear input, he reached out to just one person, and that led to him like getting exponential results, because now he will not only get like one client, he will get a lot of clients, because all of the projects from these the first world countries will be outsourced over back to him. So yeah, that's the idea where I got it from. So whenever you reach out to someone, ask them to get you more business, and that's going to be the plan. So right now I'm going to be scraping like leads from Sales Navigator. So this is the current lead list which I'm working on. So I copied the exact Navigator link. So yeah, I opened up Sales Navigator on LinkedIn, and this is the exact list. So by the way, like one thing I wanted to show you, like I just like sent out a couple of DMs, and like this is the first person you see on the list, right? I literally just got a reply from him as well. Like just to show you it works. I was just like testing out some, like you can see I have sent around like 4 Inmails over here, and out of them I've gotten like one reply already in like a couple of minutes. Yeah, you can see. So he said like, here, hi Somil, thanks for reaching out, I'd like to know more. I sent him like the exact email, and you can see he was like on the top of the list. So I was just testing out the automation to see if it works or not. Yeah, so I just opened up Sales Navigator. I applied the company filter like 11 to 50 people. I think like that's a normal size thing to reach out for. If you're selling something like higher ticket, maybe you can target bigger companies. But yeah, it was just like $40 and very affordable. So yeah, that's why I reached out to like smaller companies as well. Job title like simple founder, owner, CEO, because in these companies, like the founders are like these are not massive companies, so usually like founders are the ones who are like making these decisions. Again, if you're like reaching out to bigger companies, maybe you want to reach out to marketing managers or something like that. Geography was United States, industry was marketing services. I wanted to reach out to people in marketing. Now this is one thing like posted on LinkedIn. Like if you don't know about it, I made a YouTube video on it, so if you want to know more about it, Sawmill 30-second LinkedIn hack, I think that was the thing. Yeah, 30-second LinkedIn hack that booked us like 5 calls in 24 hours. So basically we were using a LinkedIn account for outreach, and that was getting us like 1 call booked every single day. And we just like tried a simple 30-second hack where we turned on this thing, like posted on LinkedIn, and that instantly led to us getting like so many more calls, like almost 5 calls were booked that day.
NGS
like
social media,
everything is provided in the video, you can see, and how you can apply it, whatever. Yeah, go to that video for proof. You can see like WhatsApp messages, proof, everything of the client who we did this for. And this just leads to like so much more meetings, because the people who like, if you turn it on, that means that people are actually active over here and everything as well. One more thing you can do is like, let's say you want to find people who are like interested in like a service like yours. You can just come over here and like click on the groups and like search for groups which people who you want to sell to will be a part of. So I know like people who are like interested in cold outreach, they will be like in the group of Instantly, which is an email sending platform. So cold email masterclass. So I can apply this filter, and now all of these people will be interested in like kind of cold outreach or whatever. So I did not do it because I got like very few people. But if there are like bigger groups, whatever, you can apply this filter in Sales Navigator as well, and I'll also show you how you can get Sales Navigator cheaply. So yeah, that's basically the Sales Navigator search I built up, and then I scraped it. So I've created this Chrome extension for scraping Sales Navigator. Just click on this button and you click on the export thing, and yeah, it just starts scraping. Your account is 100% safe. We don't actually use your account for scraping, and you can just download the results in a CSV format. You can like over here, like not in history, over here in settings, like select what all you want. So right now I just wanted like normal data. I don't want like so much more data, like email, Twitter, website, email, phone, everything. So yeah, I just like scrape the data, and this is what the final data look like. So we got like their profile URL, which is what we wanted. We can use like this about section as well to like create personalized icebreakers using AI. If you want to, you can do that. I don't really care. Yeah, we have this Sales Navigator scraper. It can find your like emails and phones as well if it's available publicly, and yeah, you can use it. So if you want access to the same, you can do it from here. Click on this link. Yeah, I just use this to scrape it. Exactly the thing. $69 one time. You can use it forever. Very affordable. Yeah, that was the plan. The first step of the plan is finding the leads, and we just did that. Like in case you're wondering, like because Sales Navigator is like $100 or $120 a month, I'm not sure, which I don't think is like worth it. But yeah, if you want like 2 months of Sales Navigator activated on unlimited accounts without sharing email and password, so like you can just come here, click on this, and you can see it's like $40 for 2 months, so $20 a month. Like when you purchase this, I'll give you a link, and you can like share that link with unlimited people and get it activated on unlimited accounts. And what that basically does, it gives you like a 2-month discount. So it's like a discount code, and for the next 2 months you basically get Sales Navigator for free, and you can like activate it on unlimited accounts. So if you want that, you can do it. That's exactly what I'm using. Like, yeah, I just like clicked on that link, got like 100% discount code for 2 months, and you don't have to share your email or password with me. Just be logged in with LinkedIn and open that link, and then you can upgrade to Sales Navigator absolutely like free of cost. So yeah, that's how I got the Sales Navigator account. I built up this search list and then scraped it, and yeah, that is the final result. Like all the scrape leads, you can see we got around like 2200, 2300 leads, because we had somewhat around those many leads over here, as you can see. After that, we now have to send the InMails. So yeah, I'm going to be sending InMail. So if you don't know, and just open up Sales Navigator. There's a thing known as InMail. So let's see this random suggested lead. So what you can do is either you can like, okay, this is actually like a connection of mine. So maybe not to connections. Is this a connection of mine? Yeah. So like, let me just search for some random accounts. Let me just come here, man. Lead filters. Let's say realtors. Hypothetical example. So let's say I wanted to reach out to them. So what people do is they would like come here and they would like send them a connection request. But what LinkedIn Sales Navigator allows you to do, like this can maybe work with LinkedIn Premium as well. So if you're like tight on budget, you can go to Save Big and you can search, like this is a platform I've made, like a marketplace to help you. You can search for LinkedIn Premium. Yeah, and you can basically get like LinkedIn Premium, which is much cheaper than that, very affordable, like just $20 a month for 3 months. So yeah, you can get it. And LinkedIn like Premium allows you to send emails as well. So what you can do is, instead of waiting for your connection request to get accepted, click on that, and now you can send him like a message directly, like enter a subject line and an email. And this over here, you can see like every single month you get like 100 free emails, and you can send like 100 emails every single month. But what is like over here, you can see if I like want to send them like an InMail, it will cost me money if I like try to do it right now. So if I click on the message button, it will cost me, it says like uses one of 98 credits over here, because like it says that yeah, it's not like an open profile, but there is something known as an open profile over here. It says yes. So if I open this up, this profile, I can like directly send them an InMail and it won't even cost me anything. So like by the way, this works on both like LinkedIn normal and Premium as well, like Sales Navigator. So if I click on message Steven, you can see it says like free message, because like if you click on why, so yeah, it's basically an open profile. And if I open it up on Sales Navigator, same thing is going to happen. So what we're doing is basically we can like send InMails to open profiles without wasting our InMail credits, and it's free, so that we can like, now we can basically like reach out to a lot of people using InMails. So if I click on message, you can see it's an open profile, it says over here, and we're not using any InMail credits. So that's the strategy. We found the leads of people who we want to reach out to after applying all the filters with Sales Navigator. Now we're going to be sending like InMails to these profiles, which are open for free every single day. And yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. Like every single day I'm planning on sending around 60 emails, because I've seen like that's safe. You can send more than that as well. Like there's a way of sending like 600 emails a day with a LinkedIn account, but for that it has to be like kind of like 2 years old. So you can maybe rent accounts if you want to, but yeah, there's a way. And like maybe in the future I'll share it after using it, because that's very freaking overpowered. But yeah, you can send like 60 to 100 emails every single day very safely. It's absolutely safe, absolutely cool. Like you're not gonna run into any problems or something. So if you want to know like what I'm going to be using, it's basically like a custom LinkedIn InMail automation system which I found. It basically allows you to send unlimited InMails and connection requests to people using anything. Like it's a very simple automation. This is the most important part, so which I'm charging you money. Like everyone can create this automation, but there's like a very hidden strategy, a secret way of sending like InMails on LinkedIn for free, because LinkedIn does not allow you to use their API. If you're like a programmer or like a anything nerd, you'll understand what I'm speaking about. Like there's no way of sending like InMails on LinkedIn on automation using their like API, but I found like a third party way of doing the same. Yeah, it basically allows you to send unlimited emails and connection request messages absolutely free of cost. So if you want access to this entire system, a full free course on how you can set it up, along with the exact init and automation which you can literally like import and just change a couple of values and like start using it. Yeah, you can like buy it from here if you want to, but yeah, that's basically what we're doing. So how the automation works is like whenever a new prospect is added in Google Sheets, the automation starts. After that, if we have already contacted it, so over here you can see this is the spreadsheet we're using. It says like processed over here. So this means we have already contacted it, and so that like we don't contact the person again, we remove the people who have like the status as processed. Then we basically like filter out the profiles and we process them one by one. We split it in batches of one, and then for every profile we send them like a personalized email. After that, we add like a small delay between sending, so that we actually have like delay and we're not like blasting out hundreds of emails, because that's definitely not human. And once we have done that, we mark the lead as process. So yeah, that's how the basic automation works. So I'm going to be creating like the automation live in front of you. So the first thing we have to do is I'll actually just remove all the different things except like the URL and the first name and the last name. So I'll remove this. I'll get rid of this as well. Yeah, I'll like leave this is open link yes or no here, because that's what we need. Rest everything I think we can just simply like remove it. Yeah, delete columns. So yeah, now we have like the first name is open link and the LinkedIn URL, which is what you want, because we're going to be using like slide personalization. So select the row which has like is open link or not, and I'm going to click on format like data and create a filter. And now we're basically going to select all the profiles which have like, yeah, which basically have like an open profile. So these are all open profiles, so you only want to be sending out messages to them. So now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using Gemini to create it. You can create like custom formulas, or you can use Ask like ChatGPT to basically create the formula. So over here I'll say subject line. So I'll ask Gemini, and like this is available with the Google AI plan, and it's like very affordable. So normally it's like $25 a month. If you search for like come to Save Big and search for like Google AI Pro, like we can get it activated on your email for just like $79 a year. So you get it like 66% off. I absolutely love it. So I'll just say like you can by the way like do this for free using ChatGPT as well if you want to. I just like the convenience. So I said in the column called subject line, please give me the formula to insert the values of hi first name. Like I want first name to be replaced with the value in column B. So I'll just like enter it, and now it'll probably like give me a formula which I can enter and everything. I'm just waiting for it to load. It does take some time, which is kind of annoying. In the meantime, I can like just copy the different profiles. So yeah, like how many profiles are these? Let's just ask ChatGPT. How many entries are these, bro? Like give me the number. Boom, you can click on the insert, and now it has been automatically replaced. Yep. And now over here I'll create a thing for the InMail body. Like by the way, like I've covered it over here. The exact messages I'll use, I'll go through it later after we have inserted it. I'll show you. I'll just do it right now. I'll paste it in the InMail column. I want to insert this text. Replace first name with the entry in column B. So you can just tell like Gemini what exact message you want, and then you can use like the different fields for personalization. You can use like any field, like basically anything, like company name as well. I just like to keep it simple, so I'll just use like the first name. So how many entries did we select over here right now? Hmm. Column E. What I'll do is in the meantime like delete all the profiles which are not open profiles. So I'll do it. Delete selected rows because for Inmails we only want like the open profiles. I'll select yes. Hmm. The sheet is updated. Give me the values, the formula to insert in column D and E. Like it's taking some time, but yeah, just insert like the thing. Hmm. Now let's try to do it. Paste it in all the different places. Will it work? Yeah, works. So I'll just copy it down till the bottom. It's taking like a lot of time, yeah. Like right now we only have to send it to like 60 people, so I think that will be fine. And over here I'll just paste it. Yo, why did you remove the line break in column E text? I want it exactly as I showed you. Include the line breaks. Like sometimes I realize yep, hopefully this works. Yeah, now it's working. So what I'll do is I'll like copy this for the next 60 entries, 460 entries, sorry. Yeah, now we have it. So all we now need to do is copy the 60 entries, the LinkedIn URLs. 60, yep, copy it, paste it over here in this spreadsheet. After that, paste the subject line of the 60 entries. Boom, here. Oh shit, like so I just like downloaded the entire thing as a CSV file because I was unable to figure out like how to convert it from formula to normal text, and now I'll just like simply copy it and paste it in the original spreadsheet. Boom. Yeah, you can see like the subject line and the entries have been pasted. Over here we simply have to like tell us like how much time you want to wait between each email in seconds. So I'll add like maybe a 3-minute gap, so 180, and boom, I'll boom, paste it. No shit, copy this, copy 180 and insert it automatically for all the entries. After that, where it says like add to campaign, if we like turn it to yes, if we paste this yes over here, it will all be automatically added to the campaign. So that's what I'm about to do. So I'll select the different entries, all the entries which we need, and just paste like yes over here. And now the campaign has started. It will take some time to process it, and then it will like start sending out. And I don't know why my voice cracked. If we come over to executions in N10, you will see like the execution has soon started. So yeah, you can see like this is the time right now, and it just succeeded as well. Boom, it is sent. And now as you can see, it should be like updated to process soon. So I'll open up LinkedIn and see if the InMail went through or not. You can see over here. Now the InMail has been sent out to this person, which was the first lead over here. Where is it? Yeah, Steven. So you can see like, hi Steven, we have sent out the InMail to the person. And in case you're wondering like what message I'm using, I say something like, hey Steven, my friend mentioned that you offered like marketing related services, and obviously my friend did not tell me. I'm just going to say like, I know he's offered like marketing related services because he's in that industry, right? You can use common sense. And like if someone like, firstly no one is going to ask you like which friend of mine, whatever. But even if someone asks you like who was that friend, whatever, you can just say something like I actually am sorry, like I think he was speaking about someone else. Like no one would care, no one minds that. Everyone knows like, yeah, people just let it slide. So you can kind of use it. We just have to like sound human, we just have to appear human, and we have to like make cold outreach seem like warm outreach, so that you get replies and everything. So I say something like, my friend mentioned that you offered marketing related services, and I think I've got something that can help you. Because the first thing like he's going to be thinking of when he sees a message from you is like, why did this person reach out to me? And the easiest way you can like reply to this person, like the easiest way you can diffuse that objection, is just by telling him that I'm just here to help you. So then I say something like, most people in industry, like cold email is something which almost everyone in the marketing space has tried. So I just say that like most people in industry rely on cold email for getting clients, which works great. So I'm not going to say shit like, yeah, it does not work, because it absolutely does. Like we use cold email as well. But WhatsApp outreach has gotten us like 37% reply rates on average for over 50 plus companies you tried it for. So if you include language and statistics and numbers, so you're not saying like, yeah, you're not promising it to him. You're not saying that, yeah, I'm going to make you a millionaire. You can say like, yo bro, like this shit has converted like 50 people into millionaires, and I just want you to tell me if you know someone who might be open to this. So it's like kind of indirect, and you're like placing numbers and statistics and case studies which builds trust. So yeah, that's what we're using over here. And like the person who is my ideal customer, he will like completely understand what 37% reply rate means. So you should use language which only your ideal customers can understand, because then it would resonate with them. Their ears are gonna like light up, if that's the correct word. Yeah, maybe like raise up, rise up, I don't know, like my English is probably gone to the freaking gutter, man, what the hell. But yeah, basically like it would like lighten up their, like I don't know how to word it, I'm not even going to try. But basically it would resonate with them. They would like kind of sit a bit more upright, and they would be like, yo bro, like he's speaking my language, I need to like listen to what this person has to say. So yeah, just include that language, because this is gonna alienate all the people who will never buy from you, and it would like bring all the people who are ready to buy from you closer to you if you speak the language. After that, I just said like, I built a platform, just like a quick marketing tip. Use better words. Never say cheap, say affordable. Never say like tool sounds cheap. Just say like a platform. At the end of the day, like a software is like a tool, it's like a platform. Like it can be classified as both of them, but platform just sounds more premium. So yeah, always use like premium wording. So I just said like, I built a platform that lets you send unlimited. Like one more thing is the reason I use platform. You just have to like appear different. Everyone is sick and tired of being sold softwares, but platform sounds better. So just try to use wordings which makes you appear different from your competitors, because like human brain is kind of dumb. We are very lazy by nature, and what our brain does is it has heard like certain buzzwords and marketing keywords like so much that whenever we listen to that, whenever we hear that thing, it just automatically shuts off, and it's like, yo bro, look, this is spam, we don't have to like think about it. So that's why you just have to like use words which are kind of different from what your competitors are using. And I said like, I built a platform that lets you send unlimited personalized messages for just like $1.3 a day, which is very cheap. Like it's a very cheap thing. So that's why you can like leverage that. If you sell like premium pricing, just like leverage the fact you're premium. You can say like, I've got this thing which only like we offer to like 3 people. So use your strengths. I know like software is not like very premium that I can sell it for like $10,000 a month, but I can leverage the fact that it's very affordable. So yeah, it's very affordable. People would love to try, and people have been loving it. LOL, which is the case because a lot of people said like, yo bro, like how can I white label it? How can I sign up as an affiliate? I'll refer my friends over to you. That's exactly the messages which I've been getting from people. Would love it if you could tell some people who can benefit from it to try it out for free. So I just said like, yo bro, I'm not trying to sell you, like this is a tip which I got from Alex Hormozi, like in his book like 100 million leads. He said like, never like pitch directly to them. Never say that, yeah, bro, buy from me. Just say like, yo, bro, I'm doing this awesome thing. Do you know someone who might be interested in this or something? So then you're not pitching. It's not like salesy or desperate or needy. But a lot of the times they just say like, yeah, bro, like I'm interested in this. Even if they say like, I'm not interested, like again, they will refer people to you, which is even better than just them buying it, because now they're going to tell like 5 people about it. And 5 is better than 1. Last time I checked. And it's going to be like a warmer outreach, because now this person has told his friends about it and they trust him much more than me. So yeah, that's what I'm leveraging. So yeah, would love it if you could tell some people who can benefit from it to try it out for free. I would say like lead magnets are absolutely worth it. Like I made a complete tutorial on it. I think that is genuinely going to help you in case you're thinking like you should directly pitch a call, or if you should like sell lead magnets. So if you come over to my channel, watch this video called Are Lead Magnets Dead or the Secret to Unlimited Customers? Very good video. So yeah, just definitely like check it out. I don't say this because I care about you, my monetization is turned on. It's just there to like help you build enough trust. And once you trust me enough, once you've like seen the amount of value I can offer for free, you will buy my softwares, whatever. Like eventually I know every single person who watches my videos is going to end up as a customer of mine. So that's the intention behind it, like provide you as much value as possible. So that's why I always offer like lead magnets, especially in software. It's so much easier to just offer it for free, because people can see how good it is instead of you telling them that it's great, whatever. So let them try it out for free. So then I entered the website, but I did not like I added a space over here between .com and the like domain. So like the website is not this, like this is not the website. The website is whatreach.com, but I added like a space so that like it appears as normal text, because you don't want to be sending out like links in the first message, because then they know it's like automated and spammy. And yeah, I just like don't like to do it. What I'll say is, if like it depends on your service. If I was selling like a service or something, maybe I wouldn't even have like mentioned the link, because like yeah, I don't need to like directly go on my website and check it out. The only reason I'm adding this right now over here is because in software I've seen that either you can wait for someone to reply to you, but like I've seen like 60 to 80% people who I send these emails to, they will read it at least. So it's much better if a lot of people like read about my website and then they can go check it out. I know like at least out of every 100 people, around like let's say like 100 people who open this email, around like 80% of them would never reply to it. And that's totally cool. Like 20% reply rates are great. But because I know like 80% of them would never reply to them, if I just send it out and like they read it, maybe like 20 to 30% of them would actually just open the website. Because I would definitely do that. If someone send me this email, like I won't reply to it, but I would check out the website, and then if it makes sense, like if it makes sense that yeah, this software is cool, then I would like definitely go on a call with them, or like see whatever I have to sell whatsoever. Yeah, so that's why I do it. I tried it out when I was doing outreach on Twitter for my other software, and it worked like so much better. People never used to reply to me, but I would get like a random notification from Stripe that yeah, they converted into a customer, like their free trial ended, and then they paid me via the card, whatever. So yeah, like that's a quick tip I noticed. So if you're selling something lower ticket, which requires people to visit your website, like software is something which I don't think so people can like actually buy without me like visiting the website, because they have to enter the card information and like start the free trial. So that's how that's why I'm including it, so that all the people who do not reply to me, they can go and check out the website. But maybe you can do it on like higher ticket services as well. But yeah, if I was selling services, maybe I won't include the website. And then I said like we offer 50% commissions as well, another incentive for the person to tell their friends about it. After that, because I'm trying to get replies as well and not just have people like visit the website, I give them a reason to reply. I give them like an actual legitimate reason that this is why you should reply to me. Because there's like a psychological thing, like a heuristic, I think that's what they call it. There's like a psychological phenomena inside of humans, something known as like reason respect tendency, which basically means that if you tell someone like why you're doing something, they respect you more. If you tell someone like do XYZ because that will allow me to do like ABC, then they're much more likely to do XYZ. So if I tell you like let's say I'm saying like, let's say you're standing in front of me in the grocery store and I say like, yo bro, like let me cut the line, the chances of you allowing me to do that is significantly lower compared to the version of me who comes to you and he says something stupid. Like it does not even have to be like a good reason. I would suggest you to have like a good reason. But even if you say something like, yo bro, can I cut the line? I'm like getting late. Something very generic. You're going to be much more likely to allow me to like cut the line. And that's like a psychological principle, and marketing, sales, everything is just psychology at the end of the day. So that's why I just said it at the end. Let me know when they sign up. I'll set up their campaigns and source numbers from Apollo at zero charge too. So this is something worth thousands of dollars already. I offer it as a free bonus, like 2,000, 3,000 free numbers from Apollo. So yeah, let me know when they sign up. I'll set up the campaigns and source numbers from Apollo at zero charge too. So yeah, that's the exact message which I'm using right now when I'm sending out these InMails, everything. Yeah, that's the entire campaign. That's the entire strategy. So I scrape the numbers. Then I basically used a custom init and automation to send out these messages, and you can see over here it has been processed. After that, like, it's gonna like wait for like 3 minutes. It's gonna send out the email to this person, and then it's gonna mark it as process as well. And that's how I'm doing outreach on LinkedIn. I think it's a pretty smart strategy, because we reach out to one person, they refer us more people, and then we can basically scale exponentially. We offer them affiliates, or we allow them to like white label a service and sell it to other people as well. Yeah, that's how exponential scale works. If you have any questions, like, drop them in the comments. Lot of cool stuff in the description. Go check it out. Bye man, take care.